How to delete a playlist on Spotify. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from App Guide, and in today's video I'll show you how you can delete a playlist on Spotify, so make sure to watch this video till the end. Now what you have to do is make sure to update the Spotify app. At first, once you've updated it, I want you to go over and then simply open it up. Next thing you want to make sure is that you are logged into your account, and after you log in, you can obviously see that this is how it is going to look like. If you want to delete your playlist, tap on the Your Library button, which is at the bottom of the screen. Once you tap on the Your Library button, you will see this kind of interface. Here you have to simply look for the playlist that you want to delete over here, so as you can see, and once you go ahead and select a playlist that you want to delete, just tap on the three dots next to it, and once you tap on the three dots, you'll find this option that says delete playlist. Tap on it and confirm the changes by tapping on delete again, or else right from the back of this page you can just long press on a playlist and just select the option that says delete playlist. And that's all it takes to delete your playlist on Spotify. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. And if you have any more questions, make sure to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.